Hey everyone, getting ready to start a Stitch Fix, but I want to tell you something really cool that I've been working on. I am in the process of joining the Daughters of the American Revolution. Paperwork has all been submitted. I have my proof. They say you're in, Donna. We're just waiting for the okay. The regional director of this area has got all my stuff. Um, and that's pretty cool. It's going through my mom's side of the family. Her father, during the maternal side of my family, the paternal side of her family. Um, Her family has been here since 1608, before the Pilgrims. Once I get this completed, I'll probably be joining the Mayflower descendants, because one of the family members on that side of the family had married into the John Alden family. And John Alden was a pretty cool guy. Him and his wife Priscilla were both on the Mayflower. They have a really cool history. So I'm going to be joining uh, from that side of the family. So I'm sitting here petting my puppy right now. So anyway, I'm going to do my Stitch Fix now. Let's get started. So of course we have the return bag. I'll show you that. And I have my card from my stylist, and I just opened this, you guys. I've been traveling and I have not had a chance to even open this box. So we're doing this together. So I don't even know what's in here. I asked for a kind of a fall winterish kind of thing. It would be with the discount if I kept it all. It's $291. So this is box number 72. Let's go through here and I will show you what the items are in this box in case you see something that you want to order. And I'm hoping it's not too blurry. I'll back it up a little bit, let you see it as much as I can. Okay. Freeze frame it and you've got it. Okay. That's what I like to do. So then we have a new stylist, and let's see how it's going here. Catherine says, this is my last day at Stitch Fix. Ooh, I'm losing my stylist already. She said I wanted this box to be called the Brrr, like it's cold out box. She found me some pieces. I asked for some high top jeans, but I needed baggy jeans, but she sent me straight legs. Oh boy. Not sure about that. I don't know if I'm going to want those. But you never know. I could try it on. I asked for pumpkin colors. She said she sent me 2 pumpkin colored blouses. But I'm seeing these boxy tops that I don't like. Anyway, let's go through, and I'm going to show you the styling card. And I'm going to cover that up because I like to keep my notes private. Okay, you can see what they've sent. Now, I think that's in there. That's a dolman sleeve, and I'm not sure. There's the jeans, I believe, and let's just go through and I'll show you what's on there. If there's something that you have, you might have a different type of card, styling card for that item, or if you see something you like, there you go. Okay, but I'll show it to you there. Can't keep my stylist. What's going on? Everybody's leaving. Here's my bundle. Okay. There's some pumpkin in there. And they have a new sticker on here. It says, enjoy your fix, then explore our curated shop. Okay. And I guess I have to scan that little label and take me to my shop. And they put it on the outside. So let's tear this baby open. We do this every time. It's number 72. It never fails. Okay, I'm seeing a Daniel Rain top. This is called the Isabel half button front top. Let me find. And I've got a little surprise in another package here. I want to show it to you later. This Daniel Rain top is $88, and I think this is that boxy top that I do not like. I do not like these. I do not like these types of tops. I do not like them at all. Don't like them. That will be going back even though it's pretty. but I refuse to wear those. Then we've got, so that's not a good start, you guys. The Baboo, the, let me read this here from this. This is the Aslan, ASLAN Chevron Pullover Blue, size small, $68. And I love sweaters, so that might be good, but it doesn't look like it's very long. But that's okay. But this looks a little boxy too, I gotta be honest. Front, back. I think I'm getting some things I can't wear. And then we have another top. That sweater was $68. This next little top is by Pale Sky. $68, and it's got some pumpkin colors. Uh-oh, here we go again. Does this button down the, nope, another kind of just a boxy little top. Oh boy, but you never know. I may try it on and just love the design. You never know. So I'm going to do a try on here and show you guys. Then we're going to this top, and it's a dolman sleeve, and I'm just, it's not working out this time. A dolman sleeve. Okay, this is by Faith and Zoe. The dolman sleeve rib pullover in mustard. And this little top is $64. And it's short. It's a short top with a dolman. And maybe that's why she's wanting me to wear it with these new high top pants. Now these jeans are by Mauve. And that's a good brand. Let me get some little paper here. These jeans are the Kendra straight leg jean in indigo size 4, $88. And they're a looser fit, but gosh, I don't know. Oh well. I got one more thing I want to show you. Yeah, this little package, and I requested this one. I wanted some face mask, and I saw these on here, and they look like pretty nice little mask. But they're just your basic generic little black mask, 2 black and a gray one. I can always use another mask. I don't even know if I want to try this stuff on. I got to be honest. I'll be back in a second. I promise to try on. I'm going to try this on. Hang on a second. Okay, snap, I'm back. All right, top number 1. Very thin, not a gauzy, just a thin woven cotton. Okay, let me spin around and show it to you. Very cute. But no, I don't want this. No, I can't even explain. I like things a little more form-fitting, and I feel like, you know, Stitch Fix has a tendency sometimes to send things a little bit baggy. I don't know. It just doesn't fit me. It fits me, but it doesn't fit who I am. So this will be going back. Cute, super cute. If you wanted something like this. My hair is not cooperating. I'm having a bad day. Hang on a second. I'll be back. Okay. Instead of calling this the Brr box, I'm going to call it the Grr box. I don't like any of this. So here we have this top. Okay. Very thin. This is not going to keep me warm in the winter. I think you can see through it. I mean, the other one was see-through as well. But anyway, it's that thin, very thin. If you need a thin top, this is the top to go for. If you're in a warmer climate, okay, and you want that fall look, but I'm in a cool climate, not going to work. Boxy. The pants are nothing special. Okay, let me show them to you here. Flip around, let you look at them. They seem a little short. Nothing really to them. I'm not seeing anything that I'm just in love with here. So let's try the next two tops and make a decision, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, double step, I'm back. This sweater's cute. A little chevron sweater. I'll spin around, but you know, it feels a little loose on me, yet baggy. And I probably would put a camisole underneath of it just to give it some length if I did wear it, but I'm just not in love with it. It seems a little stretchy, if I can show you here in the sleeves. Just doesn't feel like it fits me right. I don't know, a little baggy. You know, you ladies know what I'm talking about. When you go into a dressing room and you put something on, it either feels right or it doesn't. It just doesn't feel right. Let's go get the dolman top on. I'll be back. Okay, last but not least, I have on the mustard colored dolman top, and I threw it on, and excuse the wrinkles in these jeans because I couldn't wear those jeans anymore that I had on. They were so unattractive. So you're going to see some wrinkles on these because these were folded in a closet area. So, all right. I threw them on with something just a little bit baggier, with some little short boots. I don't know, threw a belt on with it. And for my diabetic little friends, you think, where do we put our pumps? I slid it in my pocket, okay? So that's where that's at. So let me turn around and show you this thing. I need suggestions. Do I keep this thing or do I send it back? I'm kind of torn on it. I kind of like it. Kind of not sure. Thought about maybe dressing it up with a necklace, but then again, does become too much with a necklace. Maybe, I guess I got my little short diamond necklace on. Just not sure. Not sure. Kind of cute. Not real sure. Okay. Fits well. I mean, it's comfortable. It has a nice tightness about it. My hair. Anyway, let me know what you think. I am going to sign off for right now. I've got a lot of running to do. I've been gone for the last few days and I need to get things done. And anyway, please subscribe and hope you're doing okay. Let me know what you think about this top. I'm serious. I want to know what you think. It's got these little detail buttons on the side, just on one side. But anyway, let me know what you think and we'll go from there. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.